Hello students, how are you? I hope you are fine and safe at home. Today we will learn the third chapter of class 3 English, Bird Talk. It's a poem. In this poem, two birds are talking. They are talking about people, the way they walk, the way they live, and the way they grow, and what they eat. In this poem, it is shown that we are different from other animals. And yes, they are also different from us. So let's see the poem, what they are talking. Children will learn this chapter in three parts. In the beginning, I'll read the poem and then explain in both the languages, English and Hindi. Then we'll see some new words given in the poem, and then finally we will see the question and answer of your textbook and exercises. So children, let's start with the reading of the poem. Bird talk. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Yes, children. In this poem, two birds named Robin and Jay, they are sitting in a garden on a branch of the trees and they are talking with each other. And as we have discussed, they are talking about people, the way they grow, हम किस तरह से बढ़ते हैं, people लोग, they don't have feathers, लोगों को feathers नहीं होते हैं, and they don't eat beetles, हम बीटल्स नहीं खाते हैं, they don't grow wings, हमारे पंख भी नहीं उगते हैं आते हैं, and we don't like sitting on wires and things, हम किसी चीज पर जैसे कि पेड़ की टहनी है या फिर वायर है उस पर बैठना पसंद नहीं करते क्योंकि हम बैठ ही नहीं पाते हैं. So they are talking, means Robin and Jay are talking that people are very funny in that way because they can't do all these things. हमें पंख नहीं आते हैं, हम बीटल्स नहीं खाते हैं, हम किसी वायर या चीज पर बैठते नहीं हैं, हमारे फेदर्स नहीं होते हैं. इस तरह से वी आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम बर्ड्स एंड बर्ड्स आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अस. सो लेट्स रीड द पोम अगेन. थिंक सेड द रोबिन, थिंक सेड द जे, सिटिंग इन द गार्डन टॉकिंग वन डे. थिंक अबाउट पीपल, द वे दे ग्रो. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Now children, our second part, let's move towards new words. Few new words are given here. The first one, beetles. Name of an insect. Beetles are particular type of insects which are eaten by birds. ऐसे कुछ छोटे छोटे कीड़े होते हैं, insects होते हैं जिनको birds खाते हैं. They are beetles. Sitting, to be in a particular position. किसी एक पोजीशन में हमें रहना उसको हम sitting कहते हैं, बैठना. Wires, thin flexible rod. कोई भी मेटल का एकदम पतला सा जो रोड होता है जो फ्लेक्सिबल भी होता है जिसको मोड़ सकते हैं उसको वायर कहते हैं. आपने देखा होगा कि आपके इलेक्ट्रिसिटी गैजेट्स वगैरह में वायर्स लगे हुए होते हैं और बिजली के खंभे पर भी वायर्स लगे होती है. दे आर वायर्स. फनी, फनी मीन्स कॉजिंग लाफ्टर. द थिंग विच कॉजेज लाफ्टर इज कॉल्ड फनी. कोई फनी स्टोरी आप सुनते हो तो वो फनी है. किसी व्यक्ति को देखकर आपको हंसी आती है तो he or she is also funny. So these are new words. Let's move towards the question answer of this poem. Reading is fun. The first question, name the two birds in the poem. Yes, if we have listened the poem carefully, then we know the name of two birds come in the poem. Answer, the two birds are Robin and Jay. Second question, what are the three things that people can't do? लोग ऐसी कौन सी तीन चीजें हैं जो नहीं कर सकते हैं? ये पोम में हमने ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हैं. द आंसर, द थ्री थिंग्स दैट पीपल कांट डू आर, दे कांट फ्लाई, दे कांट सिट ऑन वायर्स, दे कांट गेट फेदर्स एंड विंग्स. लोग जो है उड़ नहीं सकते हैं, वायर्स पर बैठ नहीं सकते हैं, उनको पंख या तो फेदर्स है वो नहीं आते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, व्हाट डू बर्ड्स थिंक ऑफ पीपल? आंसर, बर्ड्स थिंक दैट पीपल आर वेरी फनी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, टॉक टाइम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इमेजिन what two elephants would say to each other about people. Let them talk about. यहां पर हमें यह बताना है कि what two elephants would say to each other if they see a person. You can say what people look like, what they eat and how they walk. कैसे दिखते हैं, क्या खाते हैं और किस तरह से चलते हैं. इस बात पर टू एलिफेंट्स क्या डिस्कस करेंगे वो हमें बताना है. सो हियर आई विल गिव यू एन एग्जाम्पल आंसर, सो यू विल ऑल्सो राइट इट योरसेल्फ. You will add something or modify something in this answer. So here one example answer is given. Let's see what elephants talk with each other. The first elephant said, look at that man's nose. See how small it is. Yes, because our nose is very small, while elephant has very long nose. It is called trunk. So first elephant said, look at that man's nose. See how small it is. The second elephant replied, indeed it is. He looks so small. Elephant 1, he eats so little, only 10 chapatis and few vegetables in a day. बहुत ही कम खाते हैं, only few chapatis, 10 chapatis and few vegetables. Second elephant, oh my God, how is he still alive if he eats so less? The elephant 1, on the top of that, he has only 2 legs. Second elephant, yes, he is so unlucky. Look at us. We have got 4 legs to walk. I am so proud of myself. So this is conversation between two elephants talking about a person. Let's talk second question. Let's find 2 things which you can do and the birds can't do. Tell the class. Now we have to write 2 things which birds cannot do but we can do. जो हम कर सकते but birds ना कर सकते हो. Answer, we can talk but birds cannot. Second one is we can walk but birds cannot, because birds जो होते हैं वो hop करते हैं, walk नहीं करते हैं. Okay, so we can talk and we can walk but birds cannot do all both activity. Next question, let's write. The first one, listen to the sounds of the birds. Make a list of these words. For example, chirp, chirp, chirp. Yes, this is a sound of bird. Okay, now we have to write total 3 sounds, words which are made by birds. One example is given and we have to write 2 more sounds of birds. So here it is given chee 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 and cuckoo cuckoo cuckoo. You can add some more sounds of birds here. These are 3 examples of sounds of birds. Now write 4 sentences on birds using the following words. The words are nest, जो पंछी का घोंसला होता है वो, water, chirp, chirp is a sound, fly, sky and wings. These are some clue words and on basis of these clue words we have to make 4 sentences about birds. Here 4 sentences are given. You can write your own sentence also. So let's study these sentences. The first sentence, the birds have wings to fly. The second one, the birds fly high in the sky. The third one, the birds chirp when they fly. Fourth one, the birds come back to their nest after drinking water. So here 4 sentences about birds are given, and you also try to add 1 or 2 more sentences to these sentences. Let's move forward. The third question in let's write words that rhyme with the words given below. The first one has been done for you. Here some words are given like grow, day, think, funny, eat and sing, and we have to write 2 more words which rhyme with the given word. Rhyming words जिसको हम हिंदी में मिलते जुलते शब्द कहते हैं. राइमिंग वर्ड्स जो लास्ट का प्रोनाउंसिएशन होता है वो सेम होना चाहिए, इसे हम कहते हैं राइमिंग वर्ड्स. द वर्ड्स विच राइम विद द गिवन वर्ड्स. सो लेट्स सी द आंसर. द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज ग्रो. द 2 राइमिंग वर्ड्स ऑफ ग्रो आर नो and throw. See, the sound at the last in this all 3 words are same. Grow, no, throw. So these are rhyming words. Let's see some other words. Day, bay, lay. Third one, think, blink and link. Funny, money and honey. Eat, seat, meet. Sing, ring, king. So these are rhyming words. Let me tell you the meaning of this word. Grow. Grow means no. No. The rhyming word of grow is no. No means कुछ जानना. Throw. Throw means कुछ फेंकते हम, फेंकना. बे. बे एक मतलब छोटा समंदर होता है. ले. ले मतलब कुछ रखना, बिछाना. ब्लिंक. ब्लिंक मीन्स जैसे हम आंखें जो होती है वो ब्लिंक करते हैं, इट इज ब्लिंक. लिंक मतलब किसी के साथ कुछ जोड़ना. मनी. मनी मीन्स पैसा, यू नो वेरी वेल. हनी शहद. सीट बैठने की जो होती है वो सीट. मीट मतलब मांस. रिंग. रिंग मतलब अंगूठी होती है. किंग मतलब राजा. सो दीज आर राइमिंग वर्ड्स. एंड चिल्ड्रन, दैट्स ऑल फॉर द लेसन. Hope you all have enjoyed this video, and I suggest you to watch this video once again and try to understand whatever is discussed in this chapter. आपको सलाह दी जाती कि आप एक बार और वीडियो देखें और जो भी बातें इस लेसन में आपको बताई गई है उसको 1 या 2 बार और सुने. और खास don't forget to do some homework. Here I am giving you homework. Please read the poem from your textbook twice. 2 बार अपनी पाठ्य पुस्तक से इस कविता को पढ़े and try to understand, try to comprehend, and write new words with their meanings 2 times in your notebook, and then it will be followed by all the question answer, all the exercises given in your textbook should be written in your notebook with good handwriting. That's all. Thank you so very much.